How do sonar basics help you find thermoclines for fish? Imagine being able to see beneath the water's surface without getting wet. Sonar makes this possible by sending sound waves into the water and listening for echoes. When you use sonar while fishing, it shows you what's happening below, including where fish might be hiding. One of the most useful things sonar can reveal is the thermocline. A thermocline is a layer in the water where the temperature drops sharply from the warm surface to the cooler depths. It usually forms in the summer when the water stratifies into different temperature zones. Sonar detects this layer because the change in temperature affects how sound waves bounce back. Cooler, denser water reflects sonar signals differently than warmer water does. When you look at your sonar display, the thermocline appears as a thin, often darker or differently colored line within the water column. This line marks the boundary where warm water meets cooler water below. To see it clearly, you can adjust your sonar's sensitivity settings. Turning off filters like time variable gain can make the thermocline stand out more. Finding the thermocline is important because many fish species tend to stay near this layer. Fish like bass and catfish often suspend just above or below the thermocline because it offers the right mix of oxygen and temperature. If you know where the thermocline is, you can target your bait or lures at that depth. Using your sonar to scan the entire water column, especially in deep water, helps you locate the thermocline. On the display, it looks like a steady line at a certain depth, and you might see arches or dots indicating fish near that zone. When you know where the thermocline is, you can adjust your fishing depth accordingly. In short, understanding sonar basics helps you find thermoclines by showing the temperature boundary layer through changes in the sonar signal. This makes it easier to focus your fishing efforts where fish are most likely to be. It's a simple yet powerful way to improve your chances of catching fish by knowing exactly where they are hanging out.